How do you set snowboard edge angles? Have you ever wondered how snowboarders achieve that perfect grip on the snow? Setting snowboard edge angles is a key part of tuning equipment for optimal performance. This process is especially important for athletes competing in the Winter Olympic Games, where every detail counts. Let's break down how to set those edge angles step by step. First, it is essential to understand the two main bevel angles on a snowboard: the side edge angle and the base edge angle. The side edge angle is how the edge meets the side of the snowboard. This angle determines how well the board grips the snow during turns. The base edge angle, on the other hand, is the angle of the edge in relation to the base of the snowboard. This affects how smoothly the board glides and how easily it releases from turns. To begin setting the angles, start by marking the edge. Use a black marker to color about for inches of the side edge. This visual cue helps you see where material is being removed during tuning. Next, choose your bevel angle. A common side edge bevel is around 2 degrees, while the base edge bevel typically ranges from 0 to 0.5 degrees. These angles can be adjusted based on your riding style and the conditions you expect to encounter. Now, it's time to use a bevel guide or tool. Place a diamond or natural stone into a side bevel guide set to your desired angle, like 2 degrees. Lightly pass the stone along the side edge to remove the marker and create a sharp, consistent bevel. It's important to check that the bevel is uniform along the edge for balanced performance. Performance needs can vary, especially for competitive riders. For instance, slalom racers might prefer a sharper side bevel, around 3 to 4 degrees, with minimal base bevel to maximize grip on icy courses. In contrast, speed event riders, such as those in Super G or downhill events, often use less side bevel and more base bevel for faster gliding. In the context of the Winter Olympic Games, precise edge tuning is crucial. Olympic snowboarders face varied snow conditions and course demands. Adjusting edge angles helps athletes achieve better carving ability, quicker edge-to-edge transitions, and improved stability at high speeds. Coaches and technicians often customize bevel settings for each rider based on their style, event, and snow conditions to gain a competitive edge. Lastly, remember that binding angles also play a role in how effectively a rider can apply pressure to the edges. While not the same as edge bevel angles, the binding setup affects the rider's stance and edge control. Regular maintenance and tuning of edges are vital during competitions to ensure athletes maintain optimal performance. Setting snowboard edge angles is a detailed process that involves careful beveling of the side and base edges. By tailoring these angles to suit the rider's style and conditions, snowboarders can significantly improve their performance on the slopes, especially in high-stakes events like the Winter Olympic Games.